Alright, it's recording. Oh. Oh, it's out of the seat paper. Got a token and
What's the token for?
not sure what it's for. Oh, it's for the token slot on the automated cashier. Now we can drive in. We're going slowly because our undercarriage blasters.
Is it a token for a free wash or anything? What's the token for?
Yep, undercarriage. I think it might be so we can use them next time we want to wash.
Recirculate?
There you go. Haven't filled the Soft-Gloss Maxx 3 at all. Stop. Pre-soak? Yep, pre-soak. I'm guessing this is like Ryko's equivalent of a Mark 7. You know, one of the modern Mark 7s.
Yeah. I could use a cayenne pepper too. I don't have anything spicy. How old is this?
I don't know how old it is.
You usually know the year they come out.
I don't know the name. I don't know the year of this one, though. Another pass of pre-soak.
Wait for it to get up there.
We're getting another pass already.
Driver license plate.
There's no wash stage sign to tell us what it's doing. Oh, look at that. That's a drop-down piece, Mother. Uh-oh, high-pressure wash.
Pricey, do you need your temporary driver's license paper?
Huh, it didn't get the soap off the front windshield.
I'm wearing my glasses. They're right here.
It didn't get most of the soap off the front windshield, though.
It's coming back.
Okay.
Yeah, I did get most of it.
Oh.
Can you see that?
Oh, it's coming back. That is pretty powerful water.
Wow.
Yeah. Oh, we're getting the brushes, I think. Yep, we're getting brushes. Oh, we're getting a combination of both now.
These two because they're right around the corner from.
Okay.
I'll bring you the papers out of the car because we're right around the corner on Shiloh Road.
Someone's calling you. Yep, Ryko Soft-Gloss Maxx 3. Oh, what is this stuff?
I would assume the wax.
Lava wax, I think. Yep, lava wax. Oh, that stuff's surprisingly thick.
Yeah.
Hopefully it'll dry the car faster. Help it dry faster. And now we're getting a rinse.
Push both mirrors in.
Yep.
Put it back out.
It did a Reynolds rinse.
Sounds like speed.
Yeah, it did, didn't it? Then again, that was just a Reynolds rinse. What is this? Spot-free rinse
I would
or
rather spot free rinse.
clear coat protected?
any lights that tell you what
Yeah, there's no
stage we're on.
Yeah, there's no wash stage sign to tell us what it's doing. I'm guessing there might be a clear coat protectant of some kind.
He's in the way.
Yeah. Oh, spot free rinse.
Dry, sounds like.
Yep, we have to drive through them. We have to wait for it to tell us to move forward. It's got to park. Now we can move forward. Oh, this is just like the one in Alabama where they disabled the plate that drops down. Wow, these dryers aren't doing a good job.
No. It's just that one up there.
Wow.
Oh, it's inside.
Well, it's spot-free water, so there shouldn't be any spots on the car when it dries.
Not much is coming out of the sides.
Yeah. I wonder what the touch-free bay is, though.
Could be better dryer.
Yeah. I wonder what's in the touch-free bay. Oh, I think I can sort of see it.
We'll see it in just a second.
Okay. Ooh, that looks like a Dynawash. It looks like a Dynawash.
Looks like it might have a better dryer.
Okay, my mirror. Alright, thank you all for watching. This is the first time I filmed a Ryko Soft-Gloss Maxx 3 on my channel. Thank you for watching and subscribing.